Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to crochet the spider stitch, but I'm doing a variation on the spider stitch, and this is the chain 2 spider stitch. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 6.5mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. And work a foundation chain in any amount when you have your foundation chain the length that you would like. Start working in the second stitch from the hook. 1, 2. In that stitch we're going to make a single crochet, chain 2, 1, 2, single crochet, like that, all in the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches. In the next stitch work a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. You're going to repeat that across the row. Skip 2 stitches, work in the next stitch, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, like that. You're going to work that all the way across your chain. Okay, I worked all the way across the row. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Now we're going to work into that chain 2 space. I'm going to make the same as here. Single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. So in the chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. Find the next chain 2 space, single crochet, chain 2, and single crochet. Like that. And you're going to continue all the way across the row, and you're going to repeat this row over and over. Just a 1 row repeat for this variation on the spider stitch. Like that. And I have a section here that I have repeated row after row. And the good thing about this is that if you're making a blanket, you'll have already this wavy edge. And when you finish, you'll have a wavy edge. So you have a wavy edge down both sides and a wavy edge here. And so at the very beginning, if you're making a blanket, you'd like to have the wavy edge here as well. Then you're just going to attach your yarn and work in every place where you skipped 2 stitches. You're going to make single crochet, chain 2, single crochet. And that will give you a wavy edge along this side. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet this chain 2 spider stitch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.